Playoffs are here in high school girls basketball, but it's a familiar sight for the Charleston Trojans. CHS has had a storybook season thus far, reeling off a 27-0 regular season record. But none of that matters now, as it's a clean slate in the postseason, and this team has one goal in mind.
We want to win state!
There's a long road ahead before that can happen, but if any team can feel good about its chances, it's this Charleston girls basketball team. After Effingham ended the Trojan season in the sectional finals a year ago, CHS then returned with a chip on its shoulder to get back to that point this season. Charleston head coach Jeff Miller knew his team had a chance to do just that, but as far as a perfect regular season, well, he says that's all a dream come true.
That's why, I mean, we came into this season and, I had a feeling that we could be pretty good. I mean, our JV team's been undefeated the last 2 seasons. So I had a good feeling, but I never dreamed we'd be undefeated at this point.
So how does a team snap off 27 straight wins and earn a #1 seed in the tournament? Well, it's been a widespread effort for this Trojans team, but a transfer has made a significant impact. Reagan Ballant, the daughter of Eastern Illinois women's basketball coach Matt Ballant, is in her second year with the team, but her ability to make shots from deep is just one reason why she'll be playing at Millikan University next year.
Well, I mean, I looked at Max Preps just a little while ago. She's a state leader in 3-point baskets made in 3A. I don't know how that stacks up with the 4A, but, so that's a pretty good addition.
Sports Watch took a further look to see just how well Ballant stacks up against the field, and her 78 3-pointers made are in fact more than anyone in Class 4A, according to Max Preps. And her ability to nail shots from deep will be needed tonight as the Trojans take on Muhammad Seymour in the regional semifinals, a team they beat by 27 just 2 weeks ago. But CHS is well aware that it's a different game now, as the target on its back grows each game.
Learn from your mistakes, though.
We've had a target on our back like this whole season, and I think that we're just going to take it one game at a time and keep on going.
Well, undefeated or not, it's win or go home the rest of the way. In Charleston, I'm Maher Kawash reporting for WEIU Sports Watch.
Action tips off at 6 tonight at Clinton High School. The winner will have a little time to celebrate a victory as they'll advance to the regional championship Thursday against Urbana or Champaign Central, who also play tonight at 7:30.